In this video, we are going to fix the 0xc0000005 error after Windows Update. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, we need to navigate to the Windows Update and we need to check for driver updates. So by that, you need to navigate here at the left pane, proceed to Windows Update. And under the Windows Update section, you need to navigate to the advanced options. And from that, you need to locate for optional features. So from that, navigate to optional updates. And from here, if there are available for driver updates, please update it. In my case, I don't have to any, but if you do, then update it. Once done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to do SFC scan. How we can do that? At the search box, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can open a best match, which is a command prompt. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and run it as an administrator. Once you have opened the command prompt window, you need to type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. Click on the enter key in your keyboard. This process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes. Wait until it would be finished, and once you have done it, you need to restart your computer again and then check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is here at the search box. Please type for sysdm.cpl. Again, it is sysdm.cpl. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you would be able to see a best match in this window. Once you have seen it, click on open. And from that, under the system properties, you need to navigate to the advanced. Please click on settings. And from here, proceed to the third section, which is the data execution prevention. And please turn this turned on DEP for all programs and services. Click on add. And then you need to add a program here. And then you need to click on apply and then click on OK. And then check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.